How to turn off flash notifications on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on the magnifying glass like option at the top right corner of your screen. Here, search flash notifications. In my case, it's flash screen, so I'm simply going to click on flash screen. Then you'll find flash screen. As you can see, flash edges off screen when assist app accesses text from screen or screenshot. Simply turn this off. You can also find flash notifications and simply turn off flash notifications as it shows on your mobile. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off flash notifications on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.